You don't need coding skills, a marketing degree, or thousands of followers to start making serious income online. What you need is leverage. And in 2025, there's no better leverage than AI. If you're tired of chasing low-paying gigs or spending hours creating content manually, listen up. Today, we're breaking down the top 5 AI-powered hustles that actually make money. Not gimmicks, not hype. Real strategies with real examples of people earning every single day. By the end, you'll know exactly which tools to use, how to start today, and where to scale next. This is AI Hustle Hub, the one place to learn how to automate your income using AI. So hit that like button and subscribe. Let's build. Let's kick off with the most beginner-friendly hustle, AI-powered freelance writing. This isn't just about writing articles. It's about solving business problems with words, emails, sales copy, product descriptions, SEO content, and lead magnets. You use ChatGPT to generate the first draft, Grammarly to polish it, and Hemingway to make it punchy and readable. The real key? Niche down. Instead of "I write anything," say "I help fitness brands create high-converting email sequences using AI." One example is Sarah, a mom of 2 from Texas. She started offering blog content for health coaches using AI tools. In 90 days, she went from $0 to $3,200 a month on Fiverr and LinkedIn. She built a mini content agency, systemized everything in Notion, and even hired a VA to handle delivery. The lesson? Combine AI speed with human insight, and businesses will pay you well for results, not just words. Now let's move into affiliate marketing for AI tools, one of the best passive income strategies right now. Why? Because the market is exploding with AI platforms. Everyone from solopreneurs to teachers is searching for tools that save time, and most of those tools offer generous affiliate programs. Jasper pays 30%. Pictory pays 50%. Even Canva pays recurring commissions. The play here is simple. Use ChatGPT to write tutorials, reviews, or comparison posts like top 3 AI tools for YouTube creators. Turn that content into YouTube videos, Medium blogs, or even Instagram carousel posts. Include your affiliate links and optimize for SEO. As traffic builds, so does your income. Example: Nathan from the UK created a Faceless YouTube channel reviewing AI tools. One of his videos, Best AI Video Editor for Faceless Channels, brought in over $8,000 in affiliate commissions in 6 months. All he did was narrate a script generated by ChatGPT, overlay stock B-roll from Pexels and Pictory, and drop his links in the description. It's low risk, high reward, and scales beautifully. Now let's go deeper into one of the most powerful AI hustles in 2025, running faceless YouTube channels using AI from start to finish. This is a content business, not just a side hustle. You use ChatGPT to generate scripts, Synthesia or HeyGen to turn them into avatar-narrated videos, 11 Labs to add human-like voiceovers, and InVideo to assemble it all with clean visuals. You don't need a camera, you don't need editing skills, you just need structure. The system looks like this. First, brainstorm 10 video ideas using a prompt in ChatGPT like "Give me 10 viral faceless YouTube video ideas in the productivity niche." Then, use Prompt Loop to generate first draft scripts in Google Sheets, refine those in Grammarly, and paste into Synthesia. Export the videos, create thumbnails with Canva, and schedule using Metricool. That's it. One creator named James built a channel about AI tools that now earns over $5,000 a month in ad revenue and affiliate links, all faceless. The key to his success? Batch production. He creates a month's worth of videos in 48 hours using the system above. If you're consistent, this is one of the highest leverage plays on YouTube right now. Fourth on the list, AI content services for small businesses. Think about it. Local businesses like realtors, dentists, and coaches need content, but they don't have time or in-house teams. You step in and become their AI-powered marketing arm. Use ChatGPT to generate 30 days of social captions. Use Canva AI to design branded images. Use Metricool to schedule everything. You can also set up basic chatbots using ManyChat to automate FAQs and booking requests on Facebook or Instagram. Most clients will pay you $300, $1,000 a month for this service. And once the workflow is in place, delivering takes just a few hours per month. One great case study is Priya, a 23-year-old student from India. She offered AI-generated social media packages to yoga studios and wellness coaches. Her pitch: "I'll grow your Instagram while you focus on your clients." Within 4 months, she had 5 clients paying $500 a month and was able to quit her part-time job. She even started outsourcing part of the work to Fiverr to increase her margins. Lastly, let's dig into AI-generated digital products, the passive income play that keeps on giving. The idea is to use AI to create ebooks, templates, stock photos, music tracks, or digital planners, and sell them on Gumroad, Etsy, or Payhip. It's a one-time build, infinite delivery model. The trick is to go niche. Don't just make a general ebook. Make something like 30 AI-powered journal prompts for startup founders, or Notion template for solo creators. Use ChatGPT to brainstorm and write the content. Use Canva to design. Use Midjourney or Leonardo AI for original visuals. If you're musically inclined, tools like Suno AI and SoundRaw let you create and license royalty-free music for YouTubers and creators. One true story here. Jess, a stay-at-home mom from Canada, used ChatGPT to write a beginner's guide to AI freelancing. She bundled it with a Notion planner and sold it on Gumroad for $15. That one product earned her $6,800 in the first 3 months through a combination of Instagram Reels, Pinterest pins, and YouTube Shorts. She reinvested profits into Facebook ads and created more niche products for creators, slowly building a digital product brand. The best part? No customer fulfillment, no inventory, pure scale. Now let's talk strategy. You don't need to do all 5 of these hustles at once. Start with one, ideally the one that excites you the most or fits your strengths. If you like writing, start with AI-powered freelancing. If you love making videos, go Faceless with YouTube. If you want pure passive income, build and sell digital products. The magic happens when you stack them. For example, your AI blog content can double as YouTube scripts. Your digital products can include affiliate links. Your content services can evolve into a course. Everything feeds into each other when you treat this like a system, not a job. Here's a 30-day starter plan. Week 1, use ChatGPT and Google Trends to brainstorm 30 video or product ideas. Week 2, test your first offer, a Fiverr gig, a Gumroad product, or a YouTube short. Week 3, optimize it, collect feedback, and publish across platforms. Week 4, scale production using Prompt Loop, Canva AI, and automation tools like Metricool. By day 30, you should have at least one monetized stream and a full content machine ready to grow. And the truth is, while others are waiting for the perfect time, the people winning are the ones building with what they have. AI doesn't replace you, it multiplies you. If you start using it with a system, not only will you save hours, you'll open doors to income streams you never imagined. No fluff, no shortcuts, just tools, skills, and structure. If you got value from this breakdown, don't keep it to yourself. Drop a "huh" in the comments, hit that like button, and subscribe to AI Hustle Hub, where every week we drop full playbooks on how to make money with AI. And hey, if you want the full checklist, tool links, and bonus templates from this video, check the description below. This is your time. Let's build.